What up, guys? This is your boy Enrico, episode 2 on sanding the car on the G project. So in the first video, you guys have noticed that I was a little bit stuttering, a little saying like words that didn't make no sense and stuff like that, you know. This time I'm gonna get more comfortable. I'm gonna try to get more comfortable. I'm gonna speak a little bit of Spanglish because that's how usually I talk, but I'm gonna keep it the majority in English though. Any questions, anything, you guys, please comment below. Alright, so let's start doing the what? Yes, I'm just playing. The fender. Couple of things. So the skirts, the bumper, the rear bumper, the hood, and the trunk, I'm gonna buy carbon fiber. I'm gonna buy the whole body kit. The reason I'm sanding them still is because I want to fix them. I want to put them, make them new again and resell them, so I can get an extra buck, get my money's worth. Little by little. So far, this is what we have. I know the headlights are yellow and all dirty. I already have a special thing that is gonna make them clean. Plus, I'm gonna sell them to do a special project for this car. You guys are gonna like it. I bet you guys are gonna like it. So, if you see, it takes me a while for that. I can do it with the DA, sand it, and then after that, I use with a block and sand the little edges the DA cannot do. So far as that. So we have from the back all the way to the front now, but we still have to work on a little bit of this fender, door, back door, and see, my words leave me here. Side panel, sorry. There you go. What I noticed here in this side is that I think, because I haven't told you guys, but I'm not the first owner of this car. I bought it in a used dealer. So probably whoever had it before me crashed it. And put Bondo on this because they came out a lot, but I have here a dent. Let's go a quick turn. I have a lot of plans, a lot of ideas, sorry about that, for this car. You guys are gonna see in the future what I have installed. If you guys want a sneak peek, okay, come on, let's go. I'm sorry for all this mess, but I'm just moving some couple stuff. You know, here I do my barbering as well. Yes, I'm not professional yet, but I'm learning as well. I like barbering. So if you guys notice, this is the wing for the Infiniti. It flew away, so I need to fix it. I'll probably buy a new one. I got this. Ooh, I got the exhaust. You guys can see everything here. I got this and a lot more dust. Ooh. I have a bunch of stuff that I have for this car. So, guys, don't miss it. It's gonna be an epic journey fixing this car. I promise you guys that it's gonna be a great show, if you want to call it like that. All right. So I was way off. I take back that 320 is more easier than 180. So this, what I did right here, it's a 180 grit. Oh, made it more easier, more better, more efficient, right? You see? I see a couple dents, but I'm gonna work them in the end. I still have the front door and the fender. But if you see, this is a 120 grit, and this is gonna be a 320 grit. See, still have marks I need to sand off. So I'm gonna work with my 180, finish the car, and then start doing the dents with Bondo and all that stuff, fixing everything before I start putting the sealer, the primer, and all that stuff. So that concludes for this video. Okay, if you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and if you have anything that it can help me in the long run, please comment below, and see you on the next. Peace.